Can I reset my Xbox app's 6-digit code?
Hello, and welcome to our walkthrough on resetting your Xbox app's 6-digit code. This guide will help you in case you've forgotten or misplaced your code, ensuring that you regain access to your Xbox app and its features.
What is the Xbox app's 6-digit code?
The Xbox app's 6-digit code is a security measure implemented by Microsoft to protect your account from unauthorized access. It's essentially an extra layer of security for your Xbox account. This code is needed when you're signing into the Xbox app on other devices, and in case you've forgotten it, we'll guide you through the steps to reset it.
How do I reset my Xbox app's 6-digit code?
1. Open the Xbox app on your device. 2. Navigate to your account profile, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. 3. Go to the Security Settings section. 4. Locate and click on the option for two-step verification or similar. 5. You will find an option to reset or change your 6-digit code. Click on that. 6. You will then be asked to confirm your identity. This could be through a password, email, or text verification. 7. Upon confirmation, you'll be able to set a new 6-digit code for your account. Please note that these steps may vary slightly depending on the device you're using.
What if I still can't reset my code?
If you've followed the steps and are still unable to reset your 6-digit code, contact Xbox support. They're available via the Xbox website and will be able to provide further assistance. It's also important to ensure that you have access to the email address associated with your Xbox account, as it may be required during this process. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in guiding you through the process of resetting your Xbox app 6-digit code. Remember, keeping your account secure is essential, so ensure you choose a code that you can remember but is hard for others to guess. Enjoy your gaming and stay safe!